Hi, my name is Alexander. The pre-release videos on the YouTube channel were created using artificial intelligence. Now you can hear my native voice. I would like to speak English fluently and I am moving towards this goal. In this video, I will briefly describe what the problem of stuttering is. I had a severe degree of stuttering until the age of 23 and was able to deal with this problem. So, in most cases, before the stuttering itself, the word seems to be blocked in your head and it seems to you that you won't be able to say it normally. At this point, your body experiences stress and reflexively starts to stop breathing. There is no normal airflow when pronouncing a blocked word. You try to force yourself to squeeze out a sound by straining your throat and speech apparatus. At this point, speech stupor occurs. In other words, we create it ourselves. This means that we can stop it at any moment, just as you can stop any conscious action. I know how to get around any speech block while speaking absolutely naturally, at a normal speed and at a comfortable pace. And I know how to master natural reflexes for normal speech at the level of habit. To do this, you need to figure out how not to stop your breathing despite the stress. We will need to work with the body and with attention. Working with speech therapy alone won't be enough because stuttering appears first in your thoughts and only then manifests itself on your face. The good news is that stuttering is our speech activity, and if they're ours, then we can get rid of them. I have already proved this both by my own example and by the examples of my hundreds of students from Russia. My method allows you to get rid of any degree of stuttering. You just need to understand what really prevents you from speaking freely and how to fix it.